Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'll be explaining the differences between HTML attributes, HTML tags, and HTML elements. Like I explained in the previous video, HTML tags are enclosed between angled brackets, just like we have here. These are all HTML tags, and I said HTML tags gives instructions to the browser on how elements are to display. HTML tags have an opening tag and a closing tag. The opening tag denotes the start of an element, while the closing tag denotes the end of an element. Then moving on to HTML attributes. HTML attributes gives further information about an element. And so far, we've been using HTML attributes. Just like the example we have here, where we treated OL and UL. Now, this tag here is serving as an attribute. It is giving an additional information to the elements we have here. The same thing for table. The border here is an HTML attribute, same with the width and the border color. So what HTML attributes basically mean is they provide additional information to the HTML elements, and they are written inside the HTML tag, just beside the HTML tags. So HTML attributes provide additional information, just like we added a background color to the TR here. And then we also added a border to our table using attributes. So that is it about HTML attributes. Then the last one, which is HTML elements. HTML elements are enclosed between HTML tags. Just like we have here, name. In this case, name is an HTML element, same with gender, same with age, and the rest of it. And in this case, list 1 is an HTML element. HTML elements are enclosed between HTML tags. And attributes provide an additional information to the HTML elements. And HTML tags are enclosed between angled brackets. All right, guys, I hope that was very easy to understand. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.